आपको नहीं चाहिए? See, this is the kind of cleaning system which you will do in the pool. So this is a vacuum cleaner which is being placed inside the pool. So any maintenance guy can learn this thing. And this is a coupler which we are putting there into our skimmer, usually placing that so that all water got sucked from this thing, and all impurity which we are laying at the floor will be clean with this. So we are having a pretty good decent thing. So I just keep on cleaning the entire thing. If you see over here, so this entire thing is being cleaned in this pump, and this water is coming from here. So here we are having a connecting system which is taking water from here and delivering water here. So it's a 0% water wastage kind of cleaning system. So all the impurities are being collected in this box, which we call it a skimmer filter box. So there is no water wastage and no chlorine wastage in this pool.